Welcome back. It is time to take a look at this crazy weekend forecast that we have coming up. You want to bundle up and you want to throw on basically all of your closet this weekend.
Pretty much. That's going to be what you'll have to do because of how cold it's going to be, Sananda. I mean, we're talking about wind chills in the 30s below zero. So that means just nobody can be outside for a long period of time. You need the layers for sure. You look out there in Mason City and it certainly looks a bit cold out there. I mean, that's any morning this time of year, to be honest. Holding at 21 degrees there in the River City, 20 in Albert Lea, 21 in Treetown, Forest City, but 2 degrees right now in Rochester, 1 degree in Lake City. A bit of a cold one there to start out. 7 in Preston, 9 in Cresco. Winds are light to around 5 miles per hour, generally out of the north, but we are starting to see that southerly change now out to the west. That's why we're a little bit warmer out there. Feeling like 8 below zero right now in Rochester, 3 below in Preston, 1 below in Cresco, goose eggs for Dodge Center and Zumbrota. Now, as we head through today, we're going to be holding on to those clouds, but we do have some scattered snow showers that will be rolling in out of the northwest. That is our cold front. These showers will be along the boundary as it swings on in, approaching us in the next couple of hours, exiting by around the mid-afternoon. And then that cold Arctic air mass is going to be replacing this somewhat decently okay air mass, we'll call it. Winds will be strong into our Friday afternoon behind this front, gusts around 30 miles an hour at times. That'll linger into the evening and eventually starting to wane slightly into our Saturday, but still remaining breezy, 20 to 25 mile per hour gusts. So it's going to be a cold one all day Saturday. In fact, we will not climb above zero for our temperatures and our wind chills Saturday at all. So here comes those scattered snow showers through the late morning, early afternoon hours. No accumulations will come out of this. We are watching and tracking another clipper system that will roll in for early Saturday morning. This one looking to take a similar track to last night's clipper where not a lot of us will see accumulations. I'm really thinking along and south of Highway 18 is going to be that best bet, wherever that snow band sets up. So probably around an inch or two, and maybe Garner and points to the south, more than likely on the lighter end of that, only around an inch, a trace to an inch for everybody else. And again, leaning on the lighter side of that, mainly around a trace to a ½ inch of snow. We switch gears and talk about that brutal cold this week, and that's what everyone wants to know about. A cold weather advisory in place from midnight tonight all the way through 10 a.m. for Sunday morning. Wind chills will drop down to as low as 35 below zero coming in for Sunday. Now we'll start out this brutal cold snap as early as this evening. The evening commute, we're going to be feeling like the negative teens out there, dropping down to the 20s below zero in spots for Saturday morning. You head into Saturday afternoon, here's 3 p.m., likely when we'll see our high temperature for the day, and we're still feeling like the teens below zero outside. And then we get even colder. Sunday morning, feeling like the 30s below zero in many spots. As for the next 7 days, here you go. The weekend is just brutally cold. 2 below for a high on Saturday, 2 above for a high on Sunday. Sunday's going to be a day of change. We'll see that mostly sunny sky and a return of southerly winds. Those south winds will help us out into next week, where we will be climbing back above freezing Tuesday and Wednesday. That's going to be pretty nice for a lot of folks, Ananda.
Hopefully it stays that way throughout the holiday.
Hey, we'll just have to wait and see.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you so much, Hunter.
You're welcome.